Hello everyone, in my previous videos I gave you all the full-fledged pattern or format of UPSC or Civil Services examination. I also gave you all the complete book list required and also the names of some top websites which you should consider while preparing for this examination. If you haven't watched those videos yet, do check them out. I'll attach a link in the I button and you should go and check those out. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna be giving you the names of my 7 most favorite applications which I use in my preparation and which you all should consider in case you are preparing for civil services. So let's begin. Very first application which you can go and install immediately is UPSC CSE. Now this is my most favorite application and this was probably the first application which I installed, and since then this has become my most favorite. Now let's see what this application has for you all. First, this application will contain all your NCERT books, all the new and as well as old NCERT books. This app will also provide you with all the IGNOU material which you will need while preparing for this examination. This application will also have all the previous year questions at one place. This application will also give you access to all the advanced books which you will need while preparing for this examination. This application will also give you access to all the ministry sites so that you will be able to know about the recent government schemes and monetary policies. This application will also provide you with ample mind maps which you can definitely use while framing your answers in your mains paper. What else? This application will also have different magazines like Yojana, Pratiyogita Darpan, etc. So just imagine who would not want their resources to be at one place. So I would definitely recommend you guys to go and immediately install this app and take all the advantages. The second one is my absolute favorite and I literally can't do without this app. This is IAS UPSC Civil Services by Civils Daily. Now if you want to have quick and detailed updates on all the recent news headlines, then you should definitely consider this application, and this application will teach you to implement the current affairs in your mains answer writing. So this app is very good. This will teach you current affairs from all the perspective, meaning how you can use those current affairs, how you can use that piece of information while framing your answers. So I would strongly recommend this app to you people, and very briefly I'll show you the demonstration that how this app works. So after you open the Civils Daily application, you get something like this. So you can here see that I have all the updates of 7th May 2020, which means that in this application you will have date-wise bifurcation of all the news headlines. That is, for May 7th you can see all these important news headlines. So if you go on, and one thing is to be noticed here is that you have paper-wise bifurcation over here. That is, you have the news, this particular news from The Hindu, that is the perpetual bond a suitable option to raise money? So when you click on this particular headline, you see that this particular reference is suitable for your mains paper 3, that is Indian economy, government and budgeting. So since money is considered here, you can easily make out that this particular news headline is suited for the paper 3 of your mains exam. So here you will see that how you can revise this news for the prelims level from the perspective of preliminary level, how you can analyze this particular piece of news from the perspective of mains level. So you can have a very varied ranges of news from different newspapers. From Indian Express, you have over here that cooperative banks can use SARFAESI Act to recover dues, Supreme Court's order. So you have news from different sources. You see in the news headline of May 6th, you have news from Indian Express, you have from The Hindu. So a lots actually are there. So I would highly recommend this app to you guys. So did you see how good the application is? So you should definitely go and check this app out. The third application in the list will be Unacademy Learning app. Now, do I need to speak much in this regard? I don't think so. Now, because this app is the obvious choice when it comes to UPSC preparation. Now, this app provides you quick access to all the courses, all the important lessons, quizzes and a lot more. You can also save your courses and lessons, and also you can clear your doubts. So, I would definitely recommend this app to you people. Do check this out once. Moving on to the fourth application in the list, which is GradeUp by Times of India. Now, this application has over 10 million downloads on Play Store. If you want to prepare for exams like SSC, Railway, Banking, CLAT, CAT, GATE, and of course UPSC and State PCS, then you should definitely consider this application. This is really good. The fifth one will be the very obvious one, that is Vision IAS. Now, this application is considered to be supremely beneficial when it comes to current affairs by many IAS toppers. So, if you want to up your current affairs game, then you should definitely consider this application. This is really good and is one of the top choices of UPSC aspirants. All the apps will be in the description. You can go and check those out. Now, we will see our sixth application in the array, and that is NCERT Books. Yes, that's the name of the application. So this application has over 5 million plus downloads on Play Store, and this app is really good when you want all your NCERTs to be at one place. This application will have all your NCERTs in PDF form. You will also have many videos as well, so you can check them out and understand them. Hence, I would definitely recommend this app to all the UPSC aspirants. Seventh and the final application in the list, which is everyone's favorite, and that is Byju's the learning app. Now, this app will provide you fair access to all the current affairs material, and you can also cater to good study material over there, and yeah, you can do well in your IAS preparation. So I would definitely recommend this app if you are serious about your preparation. So that's it guys, these were some of my personal favorite applications which I use for my preparations, and if you have any other recommendations, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to check them out, and yeah, if you liked my efforts, please consider liking it, sharing it and subscribing to my channel. Until then, be safe, do well, and thank you.